Okay, next is your trigeminal neuralgia. Okay, so pag sinabi nating trigeminal neuralgia, it is a chronic debilitating pain condition affecting the face. Okay, so ibig sabihin dito, nagkakaroon ng pain. Okay, saan? Sa muka. Okay, because of what? Because of the trigeminal nerve ninyo, which is your cranial number 5. Okay, trigeminal nerve, which is your cranial nerve 5. So, ano nangyayari dito? Nagkakaroon ng pain, okay? Pag nati-trigger. Okay? So, ano yung mga common triggers natin for your trigeminal neuralgia? Okay? Common triggers natin dyan, chewing, yung pagnguya, talking, pagsasalita, brushing teeth, washing face, especially kapag malamig. Okay? Light touch or cold wind or air. Okay? Pag dumaan. Now, ano yung mga modifiable risk factors natin for your trigeminal neuralgia? Pwedeng stress, okay? And cold exposure. This could trigger pain attack sa muka ninyo, okay? And then facial trauma, and then dental procedure, okay? Pag dental procedure kasi pwede mag-cause yan ng secondary trigeminal trigeminal neuralgia, okay? Pag poor oral hygiene naman, okay, nagkakaroon ng worsening ng what? Ng symptoms, okay? And then we have your non-modifiable. Pag non-modifiable naman natin, yung age, most common yan sa mga 50 years old and above, okay? Pagdating naman sa gender, common sa female, okay? And then kapag genetic mutations, 1 to 2%, okay? Ng cases, kapag meron kang genetic mutations or family history, pwede ka rin magkaroon ng what? Trigeminal neuralgia, okay? And then vascular compression of the cranial nerve number 5. This is the most common reason, okay, kung bakit nagkakaroon ng what? Trigeminal neuralgia. Anong meron dyan? Okay, vascular compression, okay? It is the most common cause. 80 to 90% of the vascular compression of your cranial nerves, ito yung pinaka-reason kung bakit nagkakaroon again ng trigeminal neuralgia. And then we also have your MS or your multiple sclerosis, okay? Sa multiple sclerosis kasi nagkakaroon ng damage to your myelin sheath, okay? Myelin sheath. Okay, now, what happened? Nagkaroon ng vascular compression, okay? Nagkaroon ng vascular compression and nerve irritation. So, nagkaroon ng demyelination of your trigeminal nerve, okay? So, pag nagkaroon ng demyelination of your trigeminal nerve, pwede magkaroon ng hyperexcitability of nerve fibers, okay? Hyperexcitability of your nerve fibers. And then, abnormal transmission of pain signals, okay? So, pag nagkaroon ng abnormal transmission of your pain signals, okay, dyan na makikita yung sudden severe electric shock facial pain, which is the hallmark symptoms or hallmark sign, okay, ng inyong trigeminal neuralgia, okay? Biglang sumakit yung muka, okay? Eto, kung makikita mo, pain areas, okay? So, yan yung mga pwede. Kapag ophthalmic branch, yung sa may taas, maxillary branch, okay, yung sa gitna, and then mandibular branch sa baba, okay? Diyan pwedeng magkaroon ng pain kapag meron kang trigeminal neuralgia, okay? So, ano naman yung characteristic ng pain sa may what? Sa may trigeminal neuralgia natin? Unilateral, okay? So, nasa isang side, okay? So, brief episode, saglit lang, recurrent, pwedeng pabalik-balik, and then triggered by minimal stimuli. Kunwari, nahanginan niya ng malamig, pwede ka agad magkaroon ng pain, okay? Nadampian mo lang ng konti, pwedeng magkaroon ng pain, okay? So, ano yung description ng pain niya? Again, it is a sudden. Pag sinabi nating sudden, biglaan, okay? And then it is a severe electric shock facial pain, okay? Parang kinoryente yung buong mukha mo dun sa isang side pala, buong mukha tuloy. Isang side parang kinoryente, ganun kasakit yung magkaroon ng trigeminal neuralgia, okay?